If your natural hair has been breaking, trust me, I understand. Being a natural hair girl is beautiful until your hair starts breaking more than it's growing. Every time I comb my hair, I will see strands everywhere, and honestly, it was stressing me out. Our hair deserves better than a constant shedding and dryness, and I decided it's time to take back control. I told myself this healthy hair journey must continue, and instead of giving up, I went to the basics: moisture, strength, and nourishment. Let me show you the simple but powerful DIY hair mask that has changed my wash day. We are using ingredients that are already in your kitchen, but the results, they look like salon made. Shampoo, egg, honey, and milk. If your hair has been feeling dry, weak, or dull, these 4 ingredients working together will revive your strands. No more breaking, dryness, and dull looking natural hair. These kitchen ingredients are really powerful. My hair is revived from inside out, and I'm so happy about it. See the way I'm combing through my hair. Whisk everything gently until it becomes creamy and well blended. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for today's DIY. Shampoo, honey, egg, and milk. Egg strengthens and reduces breakage. Egg is loaded with protein, and natural hair loves protein. It strengthens weak strands and reduces the breakage that has been holding your growth back. Egg is very, very important if you want that breakage to be treated without spending so much. Honey hydrates and adds shine. Honey gives the hair life. It attracts and holds moisture, so your hair stays tough for days. And that shine, it's honey's magic touch. So we add 3 drops of honey to our mixture. Milk softens and improves sleep. Milk melts through knots and tangles. It gives that sleep we need, so the tangling becomes smooth and stress-free. No more loud snapping sound when combing. Honey is very, very important. Then we stir everything gently in a circular motion without rushing, and ensure that it's creamy. Yes. After which we add our shampoo. Shampoo is the next. But before we add our shampoo, we'll stir. Shampoo cleans and prepare hair. The shampoo here helps cleanse the scalp, because when your roots are clean and open, moisture can travel deeper into the strands. So any brand of shampoo is fine. So you add it together, then whisk everything gently until it becomes creamy and well blended. Just keep whisking, and look at the consistency, rich, smooth, and ready to nourish every inch of my hair. Just look at this shine. Look at the softness. Healthy hair is consistent hair care. Feed your hair well and it will reward you beautiful. Breakage reduced. Moisture restored. Confidence activated. Thank you for watching. Follow Rings Exquisite for more natural hair tips. Let's grow beautifully.